Good morning guys and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog guys is papasok ako, pero before akong pumasok is i-LBC ko muna to guys. Yeah. Dapat kasi kahapon ko pa ito pina-LB. Kaso sarado, walang LBC na sa SM. Hi! Mag-iinit guys. Tayo. Rapid lang naman dito yung LBC. Walking distance. Ayun.
A few inches later.
6:58.
A few inches later. A few inches later.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa 14th gate and hinihintay ko lang yung sundo ko. Yun guys, yung daan. Bali dulo pa yung pinagtatrapahuhan ko kaya malayo pa. Sinusundo ako dito.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so nakarating na tayo dito sa office. Sobrang init sa labas. Iba yung klase ng init na tipong ang kunti-kunti lang na nilakad ko. Kailangan ko talagang magpaypay kasi pilit para ako nasa loob ng oven. So, pagdating ko dito guys, ang ginagawa ko is naglilinis ako. So, samahan niyo akong maglinis guys. Saan ko kaya kayo i-request? Hindi kikita.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I Successful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping.
So, that is it guys. After kong magwalis, magmamap, and yun lang. Start na ng work ko, full day.